Umintri rangba kajilla Conrad sangma uloong menta khatlai tarik uno pra 8,000 arpuar ba Jingkynnoh ba jingsam ya ka focus ba don politik kadai ka bam Shongnia na marbaya kani ka scheme la Pyllait Slem ba na du bawan kani ka sarkar MDA.
To be able to move forward in the lines of, helping poor people and helping the farmers is being looked at as an election agenda. It's very sad. Whoever has made this comment has not understood that these are farmers, these are people who need to be helped, and government is helping them, which should have been done a long time back. So therefore, number one, the perception itself, whoever has given this has clearly not understood the sentiments of the poor people and the sentiments of the farmers. If you go and speak to the farmers today and you hear the testimonies that they're giving, they will be telling you how this money is benefiting them to be able to raise their livelihood, to be able to take up small businesses and small works that they can do with their groups, and it's making a huge impact at the grassroots level. Number two, this entire program started almost a year and a half back. This started in 2021, and therefore, it's completely wrong for anybody to say that this is an election agenda, because if that was the case, then we would have started distributing now. But for the information of everybody, I had launched this about a year and a half back when I was in Tura, and from there, I can't remember the exact date, but it was a year and a half back. So it's a long process that started a long time back. So I think connecting it to elections is completely wrong. And as I said, it's also being insensitive to the needs of the farmers. Number two, this amount is not a loan at all. This is a grant. And the idea is that once you form a producer group, the money will go into your group's account, not into your individual's account first. That is for the focus program. And once you have, say, 10 members, you will get 50,000 rupees. The idea is to allow this to act as a small working capital for the group to do a group activity. Large number of groups have got this money. They've taken the money out. Each one of them, say, has bought piglets or have bought, different products, and then they have started, rearing them or grown certain seeds and got back their returns, put back the money into their account, into the group account, and then again taken it out when they need it and again put it back. So they're rotating the money. The second part is the Focus Plus, where we have said that once you're in a group and once you've paid money for the group and you form the group, then in the individual accounts also of the members, personal accounts also, we will be giving 5,000 rupees. So both this amount, 5,000 plus 5,000, 10,000, are not loans, and these are pure grants that are being given to the poorest section of our society in order to, with an agenda of ensuring that their overall livelihood is improved. They form producer groups and they act, together. And with this movement, we have been able to get almost close to 25,000 groups have been formed. This in itself is a huge achievement in one way. And now these groups are now all together, and obviously their productivity has improved. They're working as a team, and we are seeing that overall livelihood is slowly and steadily going up for those people. Thank you.